Hey class, second step to creating our student showcase. Under activity 2, you're going to be asked to insert um, some new pages. We have 4 listed here that you need to have titled, but you're not only limited to 4. You can put down as many as you want, whatever you feel is something you want to showcase. By all means, add as many pages as you want. This is your portfolio to showcase, not just to your parents, but to possibly future employers. So to insert a new page, you have your tabs here, Insert, Pages, Themes. Just click on Pages, and then you can add a new page right there. And this is where you'll title that new page. So I'm just going to do the first one for you. So the new first page, you're going to title Welcome. And then when you click Done, you will be on that page. And then you can begin adding things to your welcome page. And if you want to go back, there's back to our home page. To add another one, just go up here, click on Pages again, and then you'll add another page and then name it. Like I said, you can have as many as you want. Don't think that you are going to be string tied to 4. You can work with however many you want to. This is up to you.